I'm Jan Cranage and this is my foodie story. We will continue to bring you more foodie action in more videos as you request them. Just a reminder that I'm open for business and taking bookings, specialising in telling foodie stories through my videos, food pictures, cooking demonstrations and workshop. I would love to tell your foodie story. If you want more information, call me on 0432 959 677 or email me at jan@cranitch, cranitch.com.au. Guys, I'd love to make your business shine. Call me today.